Hello guys, welcome to Summerautoparts. It's after New Year and our first project for the body kits today is for W221 S-Class upgrade to W222 Maybach design. And as you can see, the car beside me is the older car 2006 years model S-Class W221, and we already removed the original front bumper and the rear bumper. As we see, if we want to upgrade the body kits from the old one to new one, we need to modify the complete body kits like front bumper, rear bumper, hood, fender, and most of the small accessories. So today's video, we are going to show the most details for show how to installation and what's parts including of the body kits. So follow my videos and to see what happened today. Guys, welcome to Summerautoparts. Today we are going to introduce a new body kit S-Class W221 upgrade to W222 M design. And we can see the body kits, all the parts already shown on the floor. That include the hood, the lights, the bumper kits, and the small accessories. So follow my videos, we are going to show the details accessories for the car we are going to install today. Material of the bonnet is oleum oil, and we can find the size is same as the W222 design. And we can find the fenders is iron material. So when we install the cars, which size is different from the W221 and the W222, the motor tuning is already completely different. And we can find the W222 headlights, that's the latest M design, which has the same functions for W222 2018 years model. And another parts we can find the side mirror. The side mirror is same as the W222 foldable side mirror. It's gloss black painting colors when we sold out. For the front face lift, we already assemble for the front bumper kit, and for the rear bumper we do not assemble. We can find which parts including for the rear bumper. As we can see, they are including the chrome parts, which is these chrome lips, and which including its brake lights, exhaust and exhaust bracket. And we can find all the material of this body kits by Platis PP. It's very good quality. So in the following minutes, we are going to show the installation of the car body kits. So thank you very much for watching, and keep our channel to see what's going on the next minutes. Is the step for the installation. So the car behind me is the 2008 years model. The first step, we need to change the fender and the hood to make the size is same as the W222 2018 years model. And then next step is for the front bumper. We need to install the front bumper and the headlights. So following the minutes, we are going to show how the installation of the front facelift for your reference. So if you have any questions, please keep attention on the videos. As we can see, the fender is finished and the bonnet is almost done. That's one thing you need to notice, that's the bracket of the front headlights. We can find we already removed the bracket crossbar here and the bars there. They need to cut down before you installation the headlights. That's one thing very important. As we can see from the videos, our cars already removed it. So please be attention when you installation.